plastics industry is preparing for one of the world's most important trade fairs, the CHINAPLAS in Guangzhou. Reason enough for us to have a closer look at one of the exhibitors, the company Engel, Austria. During my visit to Schwertberg, I was welcomed by their CEO, Dr. Stefan Engleder, who offered me deep insights into how he thinks Industry 4.0 will influence the Chinese plastics industry.
We've addressed the topic for more than 2 years now and have structured everything under the title Inject 4.0. Inject 4.0 is Industry 4.0 here at Engel, with a focus on production, the smart factory.
Can I learn something about that from you and what we can expect at the CHINAPLAS in Guangzhou today?
Yes, you can. To make everything a bit more accessible, because Industry 4.0 is often so visionary, we want to introduce you to 2 products. Here for the measuring of screw wear called the eConnect monitor, and here a product for mold tempering called the IQ Flow Control.
How important is service in the era of Industry 4.0?
Service is ever more important and becoming smart.
That sounds plausible, but doesn't that become more expensive for customers?
No, it doesn't. With condition monitoring and predictive maintenance, we have the possibility to exchange components and wear parts only when it's really necessary. Simultaneously, we can maintain availability. But now my colleague, Christoph Balker, will show you IQ Flow Control, an example of smart machine from Engel.
Great, I will head over there now. And we'll meet again at your trade fair booth at the CHINAPLAS. Many thanks.
Bye. To set the process optimally, one must have the mold tempering under control. Faulty mold tempering is still a reason for many faulty components in global injection molding production.
Well, faulty parts are something you want to spare your customers, right?
Exactly, and that's why Engel has addressed the area of mold tempering for many years now. New at the CHINAPLAS, alongside our eFlowmo device, is our eTemp device, an integrated tempering device in our machine control system. All the data runs together on one screen, on which eFlowmo and eTemp are displayed together, enabling them to be optimized together. With this, we can save power, which saves money. We increase process safety against the risk of producing defective parts, and that, for us, is living Inject 4.0.
I've learned something new. Thanks for your insight. We'll meet again in Guangzhou.
Absolutely.
Hello, Herr Dr. Steger.
Hello, Herr Marshall.
I've spent the whole day looking around and I get the feeling that Industry 4.0 has become part of your DNA in the meantime.
That's correct. We don't think about approaches to Industry 4.0, we live it, regardless of whether our customers require timely assistance systems or to connect their global production networks intelligently. We have the right answer with our Inject 4.0 modules.
Very exciting.
Yes, it is exciting. And today you've seen 2 highlights. Come to our booth at CHINAPLAS and form your own picture of how these and additional modules grow together into a smart factory.
Very happily. We'll meet again in Guangzhou.
Herr Marshall, it was a pleasure.
Thanks. That was my day in Schwertberg at Engel, a company which impressed me deeply and not just in regard to Industry 4.0. If you like, we'll meet again for the next edition of CHINAPLAS 4.0.